Let's talk about police in London. They've supplied 320 bars in the capital with so-called bleed kits to treat victims of knife crime. The equipment will go to outlets which are open after midnight. Research for City of London Police suggests that the most serious assaults usually happen between 11 at night and 4 a.m. Kit Bradshaw reports.
At this pub, as well as pulling pints, the staff are also trained to save lives. It's one of the first late-night venues in the City of London to receive a bleed control kit designed to help those who've been stabbed or shot.
We've got a tourniquet, a wide tourniquet. This would tighten up around the limb.
More than 300 kits are being handed out by the police here, following a successful pilot in Birmingham earlier this year. They contain a whole host of medical supplies, all designed to treat catastrophic bleeding.
Bottom line is people are being injured across the country, violent crime is up, and as I said, this is a no-brainer. To not do anything would be the travesty. This is a really, really simple piece of kit which, working together effectively with our local authority and our licensed premises, will hopefully save life.
Last year, the amount of knife crime recorded by the police hit a record high, with 44,000 offences in England and Wales. And NHS data shows the number of people going to hospital with blade injuries has risen by a third over 5 years.
I just remember Jimmy's beautiful smile.
Margaret and Barry Mizen's son Jimmy was murdered in a bakery in south-east London more than a decade ago. They're welcoming the new initiative.
This is not a panacea to solve knife crime. The idea really is to try and stop so many people dying. And if it prevents even one person from losing their life because of this kit, then I can't think that being a bad thing.
Place the non-adherent pad over the wound and wrap tightly.
The £25,000 cost of buying the kits in London is being covered by a levy on bars and clubs open past midnight. If it proves successful, it's hoped the model could be replicated across the country, putting a piece of potentially life-saving equipment within easy reach. Kit Bradshaw, Sky News.